Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is Saturday, October 21st of 2023. We are back for yet another stream. The plan for today is to package up Python 3.13. I know, we just did 3.12. We're already doing 3.13. And we're going to be playing with some OCR stuff today to see how that goes. I've packaged up some of the training data that we looked at a few streams ago. I decided to not upload every single language. I just uploaded the ones I needed, and I'll do the other ones later. User with name, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you are doing well, and I hope you're having a great day. Let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into things. We got JJMC, who is first. Hello, hello. Trevor W is also here. How you doing? Welcome back. Stonkfish says not banned. We hope you're not banned. We've got Bill Dothis, who's also here, who says bunnies. Yes, bunnies indeed. Kevin is here. How you doing, Kevin? Good to see you. Shmuel. Shmuel, welcome to the stream. Mangu. Hello, how y'all doing? I'm doing well. And we got Wolfred, of course. You look wet. Yeah, I just got out of the shower. Yeah. Had to go to the pharmacy this morning, so that's why I was a little bit later. Came from the gym. So did my gym stuff. Kevin! Thank you for the resub and 39 months! Going to Scotland. No, I'm not gonna try and do a Scottish. Never mind. Thank you for the resub. Thank you for your continued support. It's always good to see you. Oliver says, what did you work on in the gym? Well, I went to the climbing gym, so climbing. I got one of the routes that I was struggling with, so that felt good. I got really close on another one, but I was a little tired and a little sweaty, so it was not in the cards for today. Well, I'll get it next time. Yeah, I know, typical tech bro going climbing, you know. Elephant Rod, hello, good to see you. Kevin says, I took a 7-mile ride with my youngest on the back of my bike. Does that count as exercise? That definitely counts as exercise. That's a lot of work. Yeah, so wanted to go over what's happened since last time, so it's been a bit. This is the tesseract data that I was talking about before, and we're gonna try and use this today. Wait, tech bros do climbing? Yeah, it's like a major stereotype. But I uploaded a few of these packages. I decided to go for namespace packages. That way, if somebody else uploads something that would collide with this, I can be like, I was first, and then wait 20 years for PyPI to do something about it. But I have uploaded these two, and so if you pip install these, you'll get a working tesseract data directory. And then I'm gonna hopefully use it with some binding of tesseract. I was going to make my own binding. I might still do it, but it might be easier to just use someone else's binding. Shrugs. In between their avocado toast. Yeah, there we go. The Dev Panda. Hello. How you doing? Wolfred says, wait, there's a pip installable version of tesseract? Kind of. It's a Python. Oops. Or why? Oh, I already have a Y directory. Oh, I already have a virtual app. Cool. So if you pip install tessocr, this brings in a binding. Oh, I already installed it here. And now if you do tessdata.fasteng, you'll get the English bindings. Holy fuck, it takes a while. There we go. Circuit Scratch, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And then if you look in share test data, you'll have string data. So you can just pip install this and use this directly. And if you need to find the data directory, you can do import test data and tessdata. I think it's data path. Yeah, we'll give you a path to this, and then you can feed this into whatever thing you need. But I'm hopefully going to use this to replace the binary, and it should be a lot faster because the binary has to like start up the executable, load all the shared libraries, load and parse the train data, then do the actual OCR stuff, and then tear all that down. But if you build it in process, you should be able to avoid all that. At least that's my theory, and we'll find out later in today's stream. But yeah, that's what that's about. Circus Scratch says, "Hi, Anthony. I remember you when I was Circuits the Coder. Oh, welcome. You made something impressive the last 3 days. Nice. What'd you make? Say more." Wilfred says, "I need this. Having to get the executable every time is annoying." Yeah. 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 Toogie Boog says, "Hi, I was wondering, do you often use the syntax pip install some package bracket to install additional dependencies?" I have made package with extras before. Extras are very fiddly, and pip sort of supports them. This is one of the ones that I have made, where it pulls in some additional dependencies to do some license identification. I find that they're not well supported, and so I usually avoid them, but they can be helpful in a pinch. Just wanted me to share her name without the paperwork. Yeah, there you go. You made a renderer in Scratch. Oh my god, insane. Anilicious says, "I found it amazing how fast Python comes out with versions. I've just started using 3.11. 13 getting ready to come out. Wild." So Python is on a yearly schedule now. And they usually start the alpha real early. And they have just tagged the first alpha, so that's why we're gonna be making that happen. Pip install anti-types compatible MyPy? Oh no. Oh no. The like nom flashbacks of type Django. I still have to fork it. I haven't done that yet. But it's gonna be a big one. It's gonna be a beast. Standard Robot! Hello. How you doing? Fuck, we right indeed. Gramax says, "What do you mean not well supported? Not well supported where?" So the big problem with them, for the longest time, they were just an addition that setup tools created. And so pip kind of understood them and kind of forwarded them along. But for a while, and I don't know if this is still the case, you can just put garbage here. Yeah, you can just put garbage here, and pip will just say, "Oh yeah, you know, I knew what you meant. Print a warning, but silently let it succeed." This should absolutely be an error, but due to the way it works, it's not. Because pip has already gone too far to install it to realize that, oh wait, it doesn't have this, and then it's fiddly. But also querying this at runtime, there's no indication that this extra was actually installed, although I think this might have gotten fixed at some point. So if we look at identify metadata, oh, I think it might be in requested now. I think this did get pepped at some point. Is it in here? No. We'll just look at all these files. I don't think it actually is listed anywhere in here. Metadata, installation. Yeah. So you have no way after installing it to know that it was actually requested using the extra. And so it's sort of just an install time artifact. And it's, you have a hard time of like building up the tree of things that are supposed to be there without knowing that that was how it was installed. And there's a bunch of other little fiddly things like that, but it's yeah, it's kind of bolted on and it kind of works, but yeah. Milan Kyle, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Standard says doing technical interviews in Scratch is the only way. If I ever have to do another one, I'm gonna do it in SQLite. I did the Stripe interview questions blind faster than the time allotment in SQLite, so I think I could make it happen. Follow age is not fixed. Oh. Why did it not? It should have replied. I should have said, this isn't working, but it didn't. Kevin, thank you for the 5 gift subs. Welcome to Septum. Misty's Nuts. That looks like a password. Origin of Heaven and Magic X Command and Hayden. Hello. Welcome. I didn't remove it. It's just supposed to say it doesn't work. But maybe I broke it. I guess I broke it? How did I break it? Because I thought I had put this in here, but apparently that doesn't work. Oh, yeah, that doesn't work. Yeah, this is not right. Format, message, this. Now it should do... At least it'll say that Twitch broke this. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, no, I haven't fixed it yet. Your command should still be there, Wilfred. Oh, but the bot got fucked. Yeah, the bot got fucked for because I screwed up this. Yeah, it's still there. It just the bot died. Oops. Still waiting on FastPip. Yeah, I got other stuff. Yeah, I still want to work on it. I feel like other people are gonna do it before I do, and there's already like some implementations of the resolver part. I might just yoink their stuff and do that, but drugs. Sorankium says, as a JavaScript developer, I find that Python is pretty good, but the package management is a nightmare. See, I think that's bullshit. Because JavaScript has more problems than Python does in this packaging space. Like, there's no pre-built things in JavaScript. You got npm and yarn, and they're fuckery for forever. And yeah, you can say like, yeah, there's pip and poetry and PDM and hatch and setup tools and wheel and build and like 50 other build tools. Yeah, there's a lot of build tools. You don't need most of them. Just fucking ignore most of the fluff. Like, you can just use pip and you can just use setup tools and things basically work. Where Python gets a lot of flack is when it tries to pull in other shit like NumPy or building extensions against NumPy or the entire mathematics stack. That's where the packaging stuff kind of sucks in Python. But most of the time, you don't really need that. I think I've installed NumPy intentionally for one project. Exactly one project. And the only reason that I installed NumPy is because CV2 needed it. And that's the only project I've ever needed CV2 for either. And both of those already have wheels, so those are pretty well supported on most platforms, so I had no problems there. It's when you have to pull in this like big fucking torch and matplotlib and scikit-learn and all of that fucking garbage. That's where you run into problems with the packaging stuff. That's the issue land. But you know, don't use poetry. Easy, done. Don't use PDM. Easy, done. Like you don't need to do that. You can just get by with pip, virtualenv, setup tools. Yeah, like Hannah just says it. Use pip until you need something else, and usually you don't. Nancy Colite, yeah. Sprunggator said, did Stripe ask LeetCode style questions or more practical stuff? It was LeetCode-esque. Oh, standing desk time. Okay. I need to refine your points again. Because yeah, there's a problem. I have two switches hooked up to my computer right now, and one of them is hooked up really precariously where if I move the desk, it will fuck it. I might be able to make it happen. Let me just double check the wiring and I'll see if I can stand it up. Ooh. Okay, it might be fun. Might be fun. We'll do it, and if it fucks up my switches, it's fine. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh no. Please. Oh. Okay, I think we're good. Let's see. Okay, they're still both going. Okay, we're fine. Everything's good. We're standing. We out here. Oh my god, I'm so far behind on chat. NPM is awful compared to poetry. Oh no. Math08 says anything after distutils has been a mistake. I mean, distutils was not that bad, I guess. GPAM says, could applying machine learning to rhythm games be possible? Certainly, but I don't think you need machine learning to play a rhythm game. Because it's really just reaction time to things displayed on screen. And you can do that basically in real time without machine learning. Like I could write up a CV2 script that absolutely dominates DDR. But yeah, don't really need to do that. Wolfred has gifted 4 subs. Welcome to Subdom. Bitvestment, Julia Pie, a name that I cannot read your anglicized name, and Diego-san. Welcome to the stream, or welcome to Subdom, and thank you for the gift subs. Wolfred, there you go. There's your taco meat. But what if I want random brownouts in CI? Pip doesn't have that feature. It's true. Mancao says, just admit it, you installed NumPy because you were curious if 0.1 plus 0.2 equals 0.3. So funny thing about that, Yelp was installing NumPy for the longest time, and it was literally only to do some addition of numbers. Like they were U8s, they were being added together. There was no fucking reason to not just use the built-in end. Wait, Wolford has gifted another sub. Okay, one more button to Duesco. And Kevin has gifted 2 subs to Boings Type and PT. I have 2 buttons. I missed this one. PT1243. Welcome to Subdom. Oh boy. Oh boy. Because he's going to have a beer with me, I could grab a beer. Anthony, I spent my life savings on this for Dean. No, we're good. Did the camera fall? No, we're good. Hey, distutils wasn't a mistake. I mean, distutils wasn't great, but oh, it's hype train time. Kevin, stop spending the money you don't have. Drink this? Okay, I'll go grab a beer. I'll be right back. But wait, before that, I wanted to show you what I have finally accomplished after all this time. Is my 3DS project now supports the touchscreen. And oh boy, this was quite the undertaking. Also, you can see nice and neat wires, like pretty easy to see what's going on here too. Oh my fucking god, breadboard, what the hell is going on here? Yeah, so how do I even start to explain this? I followed a lot of what this guy did for their project. And the hard part about I should maybe make a video. Like, I'm not well versed enough to make a video. Andre Costa, thank you for the free sub at 17 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well, and I appreciate the continued support. Welcome back. It's good to see you. Yeah, so basically, yeah, they did a similar project to what I'm doing. Blah, blah, blah. The way a touchscreen works, a resistive touchscreen, is there's basically 2 circuits. There's an X plus X minus and a Y plus Y minus. And when you press on the screen, it creates a resistor grid, sort of. It makes a resistance that gets measured. It also drops, it connects these 2, drops it to low so that it can be detected. But it creates basically 2 pathways. One, I guess it'd be this direction. One this way, and one this way when it's reading the 2 values. It's basically a voltage divider through resistors, because that's, yeah. If you have voltage and then 2 paths with resistance, you get a voltage divider. And so touchscreen basically measures both of these, but it only uses 4 wires, so it has to alternate and basically pulse and figure those out. And so the voltage reading kind of looks like this. Low means that touch is happening. When the microcontroller, or when the board forces Y plus high, it reads X, and then a little bit later on it's going to force X plus high and read Y, and it's going to do those pulses while it's pressed. The problem is there's not really a good way to spoof this unless you figure out when this happens and then time a delay to set the right value here. and I was having a world of trouble getting this working. But I found 3 things. First is this little diagram here where they have marked X plus and Y plus. This is backwards. This is actually Y plus and this is X plus. And so I spent a very long time trying to send the right voltages through these 2 wires to absolutely no success. Also, these are itty bitty tiny wires. There are test points on the 3DS. You can actually see them. These 4 right here. These are actually the same connectors as that touchscreen. But I was debugging all sorts of shit and not realizing that, you know, I had the wrong 2 wires. I even connectivity tested. I took this picture and I was like, oh, okay. I need to connect to these 2 pins on this. I will use my multimeter to tap the right touch points and solder to those, and I had it all figured out and everything was great. I thought I had X plus Y plus, but not X plus Y plus. I had the wrong ones. So that's why you'll see I've got a little wire sticking out of the front of the board here. I cannibalized a connector from a DS Lite, which happens to be the same socket, and then disconnected it from this, so I can't actually use the touchscreen. I have to do it through code. And then I realized that I need to be able to sense this voltage here. And my analog sensor was 160 microseconds of resolution. And when you're trying to meet something that's 200 microseconds wide, it's not gonna work. So I managed to get that down to only 13 microseconds to sense. And so then I was able to get an accurate reading to wait until this one happens. And then I realized that my voltage setter took, my DAC took 160 microseconds to set. So I have to set it almost immediately after I see this because I gotta wait for this. But I got it all working and I'm able to touch the touchscreen on my DS or my 3DS. And let me show you what I was able to do with that. Oh, this is not the right one. This is the GameCube. Where's the one? This one? Oh, I satisfied! Thank you for the resub at 39 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well, and I appreciate your continued support. AWC Bongo! Yeah, ignore this. I did this very jangly. But I need to press the touchscreen to reduce the shining encounter rate, or to increase the shining encounter rate, so I can click this here, and then tap this here, and use these powers. Because without the powers, it was going to take like 60 plus days to get this shiny Pokemon. And in fact, it ran for about 40 days until I figured this out. But now it can use those 2 powers, and it basically looks for the shaky grass here. And the bike is actually going back and forth, but it only renders during the thing. It knows how to walk to the shaky grass and get the encounter. Ta-da! Hooray! So that's how that works, and I finally got it. The one I was looking for, shiny Delcatty. After all this time, it's been 40 plus days. The thing I wanted to show you though is how the shaky grass detection works. Oh, I didn't save all the images. Okay, well, we'll just have to look at crop 4 first. But basically what it does is it takes 2 frames and it crops it down to just this area here with the grass. Then it eliminates out, makes sort of a grid around the grass because the flowers also animate too. And then it looks between 2 frames. These are the 2 frames that I captured for an example. You can see that the colors kind of change sometimes too, just due to brightness and whatever. And then once it has 2 frames, it can compare the pixels. These are pixels that are more than 30 difference, and you can see that this grid spot lights up, and so it knows, oh, this is where shaky grass is, I'm gonna go to that. Sometimes like brightness changes rapidly, and so all of them light up, and so it knows to ignore that. But once it sees this, it knows it can navigate to this piece of shaky grass and encounter the Pokemon. But anyway, way too tasty to understand a word this man just said. Listen, I didn't understand this much either, so it took me a lot to get here. Sean the Sheep says, I'm writing my final physics exam. Can we pause the stream and pray to the gods C# and Python that I pass? I'll help you do well. uh okay, I will go get some beers for this. I also have food that Tina just made for me. Um Seeing a breadboard always gives me anxiety. Yeah. I have a what are these called? Chickpeas bowl. Oh, and the whole ass pepper here. All right, I'm gonna go grab a beer. I will be right back. But I'm really happy that this finally fucking works, and I finally got my shiny Pokemon from it. So I will see you in a sec. Uh, Hello, I'm back. Wilfred says, what was Tina's feedback on my screenshot from the past stream? Wait, which one? I forgot which one it was. Okay, we're drinking La Fin du Monde. It's the end of the world. Good old 9%, and I ran up and down the stairs. Sarab is here. Hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Stonkfish is trying to get a second hello, hello. I see you. I remember you from the first part of the stream. Oh, fuck, what a terrible bore. Terrible bore. I caught you. I got you. Jai says, oh, excellent triple. I'm a big fan of this, although apparently, my Canadian friends are like, oh yeah, Unibrow is just kind of a shit brewery. But, alright, I don't care. Tastes good. And, is 9%. Would you like a spoon for your beer? Says Savage Banana Soup. A spoon? I don't need a spoon. I have a spoon. For my bowl of goodies. Okay. So, yeah, glad this is working. Very happy I got it working. I also built this yesterday. It works using setup tools download, which we showed off a couple streams ago. And it also has sort of a monorepo of other packages. The cool thing about this one is everything except for setup.cfg is just a symlink to the base package. And this is just setup tools download again. So, very easy. Very, very, build a wheel, done with it. Kim says, I wonder how the beer tastes. Can't get it in my country legally. It tastes like a lemon malt. It kind of has like a faint banana flavor to it. Let's see, what do they say on the can? Rich and sophisticated triple has earned several international titles thanks to its refined taste marked by notes of fruit and spice, supported by a slight bitterness. Yeah, I would say it has banana notes. This song is looping. Excuse me while I eat a little bit. Then we'll try and actually I should start this slow. Alright, so I forget how to do this every year that we do it. And I hope that last year I wrote down what to do here. I know I need that repo again, but we're gonna get the latest version of it. I want to say that I wrote down the directions on what I'm supposed to do here. Run books. What's the name of people that do wine taste tests? Sommelier. I actually have a friend of a friend. Well, my uncle's friend, who is a sommelier. And that is their entire job. What the fuck? New version. Improved new version stocks 2 years ago. Okay. It cannot be that simple. This doesn't sound right. Oh, maybe this is right. Yeah, because this part. Yeah, I think we'll do this. Okay. Kevin says I only have beer outside the fridge, so I did my simple insta-chill trick. Is that, how does that work? Okay, so I know I need to, oh, fuck, I changed the size of my VM. Well, looks fine. GitHub! And GitHub changed their layout. Pisses me off so much. I need to make a user script that puts the button back right here. Because doing this and then clicking this is just so dumb. Also, the page, like, do you see it wiggling? Wiggle! Good job, GitHub. Very, very fucking useless feature. So dumb. I hate it so much. Anyway, where's the new repository button? Is it this? Yeah, it sucks. Sucks. I hate it. Dead Snicks. 3.13. Public. I think GitHub always changing shit. Yeah. Trick is wrapping the beer in wet paper and then put that in the freezer. Oh. Finding things behind menus should be banned in such a shit pattern. Yeah, some product manager wanted to optimize clicks. Oh, they're clicking so much more now. Yeah, you fucking assholes, give me back my shit. Alright. Let's try and follow directions. Comment out the branch part. You can tell this is pretty jank. This part, surely. Maybe this part too? Clear. I think I'm supposed to make a main branch first. Empty. Spelling. Looking forward to next week. I'm attending Crystal Conf. Oh, they have a conference. That's cool. All right. What could go wrong? Hmm. Everything could go wrong, apparently. Look at the file URL. Um. Hmm. Alright. I guess I need to add upstream branch upstream. Try that. Crystal Golf sounds like a place to meet drug addicts. Yeah. When is pre-commit comp gonna be a thing? I don't know. Kevin says I met up with my Danish colleagues last week. One of them had a resting heart rate of 30. What? Low heart rate alerts pretty much every night. Yeah, that seems dangerous. He's really fit. Oh, okay. What's your education background? I think I talked about this in the FAQ. Maybe I haven't. I have a college degree, but I was employed before it. And I think college was mostly used for networking and getting a fancy piece of paper, but not actually for learning stuff. 8 years at Hogwarts, yeah. Resting heart rate isn't accurate. Sleeping heart rate is more accurate. Yeah, that's fair. But also, sometimes sleep heart rate monitors aren't that accurate too. Wait, what the fuck am I supposed to do here? Maybe this? Orphan upstream? I should undo what I just did. Little T, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I should really just watch my stream when I did this last year. Haha. Oh god. Control R messing with me here. Damn, what the fuck? Browser does not have an upstream for upstream sources. Ooh, I need to... I need to do this. That seems to be working. Do you still use the recursive get alias? I have. I have run into it a few times, yeah. It's still useful. I don't do it that often, but when I do, I'm like, ah, Kevin. Oh wait, there's sauce? Sauce on the rice. Okay, this is taking a while. I'm not sure why. Then get stuff. Oh, the sauce is really good too. Can we get a food review? It's really good. By my undisclosed meal kit. Jenny got some sauce yesterday. Nice. High five. Very nice. I think the marketing on this said it was the tagine bowl. But it's basically like chickpeas, raisins. Oh! Oh, there's no way that's real. There's no way this is real. Oh god. It's lagging because of this is consuming all my CPU. It does not look shiny. Yep, not shiny. It's lagging because this is consuming all of my processing power for whatever reason. Yeah, I don't know how it's spelled. She did not say, and the sauce is really good too. Oh, poor Kevin. But yeah, it's really good. Tina put it together while I was streaming. Why is this taking so long? Oh, there we go. It's doing stuff now. Ta-da! Okay, so that's the first step. I guess I should add to the directions. Git commit, empty initial commit. Oh, and then I probably can just do git checkout -b upstream, and then git checkout main. It's probably enough. The thumbnail for the first parent video is on point. I was like, this is such a dumb idea, but I thought it was funny, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna do it anyway. For those of you that didn't watch the video, this is my terrible thumbnail that I put together for first parent. But yeah. Lamau. Okay, so we need to check out that copy from the previous version. So one thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to look at the difference between 3.12 and 3.12 nightly, but I'm going to copy from 3.13 because we made so many changes for the no-gil builds. And the difference between 3.12 and 3.12 nightly should just be the PGO. And so we'll turn PGO on. Hopefully. The copying from the nightly should make it not conflict as much. And automatically take all the work I'm doing for it. Let me finish up my food and then I will do that. Oh, there was hot sauce. Cool. So I need to clone those. 3.12. Oh, why do I have an email? Oh, because I paid GitHub money. Ta-da! Cloned, and now we need to get the nightly as well. My toes are tired from climbing. I was doing a bunch of very much jam your toe into the wall and stand on one toe sort of routes today. I'm a little baby. Check out this. We can do that while this is waiting. Yeah, check out upstream -b Ubuntu jammy. Oh, I guess Focal's still relevant, right? It's Focal and Jamie. S1 Cube. Hello, hello. How you doing? Excuse me. the package versions. I don't think we'll have to do that because we're going to be copying from the nightly. And we're going to, not sometimes, we're definitely going to do this. Oh my god, it's so slow. Okay, but we did this. We're going to copy from the previous version. Read out 13 nightly. We want to get as close to A10 as possible. Decorate first parent? Nope. 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 Apparently it does not tag the main line. Okay, 96, 83, 75, 48, 29, 12. It's looking like this is going to be our best bet here. Yeah, it looks like it didn't have to refresh any patches there, so that should be good. Hi! Yum! Oh, except this is not how this works. Fuck. This is what I have to check out, maybe? I was wondering why you didn't cut it up, but I was just like, fuck it, I'll just eat the entire pepper. No, it's mostly vinegar, but thank you. Yeah, some hot sauces are not as good as others. Rate my dinner: sugar snap and radish salad with chicken tits, rice, and arugula dressing. What does that mean? The link. Oh, it's like pureed arugula. It looks good. Yeah, that looks good. I'm not a fan of radish personally, and I don't eat chicken, but it looks good. How did you make the dressing? What did you need for that? Okay, these are clones. So I can copy 3.13 nightly Debian. Dot. Hello. What do you mean by? Are you leaving me? Oh, I thought you were going to remember. Oh, because there's kiddos. Yeah, but it's away. Tina, Wilfred says hi. Kevin says hi. Wilfred wanted to know what your reaction was to screenshot something. Oh. No, I don't know. I don't know. It was something in something Dixord something. Something, I don't know. Clips maybe. Fucking I don't know. Oh, you DM'd me. Oh. Oh, the DM. Maybe I did. Oh, I did. Wait, no, I did show you. You saw it. Oh, bad. Like, dude, I showed you on my phone. What do you think about it? Yeah. For those that want context. No. This was during the cooking stream. Want there to be a Discord competitor called Dixord? Yeah, that'll be my next startup. Turkish yogurt, arugula mixed with some spice and herbs, and a tablespoon of water. Oh, nice. The Iranian yogurt is not the problem. What? Isn't that what the meme is? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, anyway. Copy this. Get Debian. Copy Debian directory from 3.13 nightly. Get rev parse head. I think if I do this, then GitHub might link it for me. Same facial expression. I mean, I think that was a little bit different, Wolverine. There was a stream that I did with Juice where she just like unfazedly massive burped, and I just like eyeballs. Oh, you've seen the clip? Yeah. Anyway, Wilfred says you have the same energy. Anthony said to Lacey that you have Dick Sword. It does have a cling to it, a ring to it. Yeah, it does. Oh, fucking A. Right. What did it actually change in here? Fix some white space. Did we do that? Did we let that happen? Yeah, fuck it. We'll fix the white space. Pre-commit! Yay! I'm getting so motivated watching Andy code that I'm gonna order some weed and spend the weekend writing a compiler in Python. You do you, man. that would not be a working compiler for most people. Okay, we need to diff dash URL. How do I tell it to just tell me the different files? Oh, we can do something else. We can do get diff no index name only Python 3.12 slash nightly slash dbo. We need to actually check them out. S1 Cube, thank you for the resub at 30 months. I did go person climbing male symbol today. That was indeed what I did. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Oh my god, what the fuck happened here? What the shit? What the fuck? What is all this garbage? What? Alright, rules is the big one that we're looking for. Debian rules to Debian rules. But we can get rid of this. No fucking idea what that nonsense is up there. Okay. Somehow I thought there was supposed to be more changes here. Did I forget to turn on PGO? With PGO equals yes. Oh, fuck me. Lamau? I forgot to do this. Shit. Song is looping. Next. Okay, well, we'll start with that then. Did I do it for 311? Are you finding the good ones? Are they all the same size? Oh, size doesn't matter. Okay, you heard your first chat. Sharp? Ow. You want to get stabbed in the Yarnosy? Alright. Looks like I remembered to do it here, but not for 312. Okay. Boop, 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 boom. Man, it's been so long since I've done this manually, I don't actually remember how to do this. Re-enable PGO/LTO. I think I should just keep those on. Kick N97, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Then I have to DCH-V. Yeah, DCH-V Jammy 2. Re-enable PGO/LTO. This will be Jammy. Git commit -m. Finish chain log for Jammy 2. And then runbooks release? Is that how this works? Fuck, I really don't remember. Without weed, I still managed to write the compiler. Oh, nice. Pokemon fan. Oh my god, it's been so long. It's been so long. When was the last time you were here? Oh, you were here last week, but before that, it was January. God damn. What is up? Oh wait, no, that's today. No, it was January. Literally, it was January. What is up? I am 7 months in at my job at Northrop Grumman. So far, it's been well, but I don't code as much as I thought I would. Yeah, I get that a lot with new jobs, which is like you expect to be writing more code, but then don't. So I feel you there. I feel you. 9 months? No, you're good. You're good. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. When was you've been here a long time. When was the first time you showed up? Oh my god, there's so much history here. March of 2022. It's been a bit. That's when you graduated university. Yeah. Pokemon fan? It's me. You got me. No, I don't know. Most of my code has been Python scripts or Bash scripting. Oh man. Oh, you had an older account. Ah, cool, cool. Alright, we did Jammy. We gotta do Focal. Jammy, 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 jammy. Get cherry pick. Ubuntu Jammy, because I don't really feel like making all the changes again. Vocal 2. Re-enable PGO LTO Vocal. Excuse me. Git commit -m Vocal 2. Runbooks release. There we go. Oh no, the bot's still sub to Pokey. And the lecture I did for shit like that, programming turned out to be pretty lucrative. Yeah. To be honest, I think I write more scripting code than code in the code base. Most of my PRs have been like 10 lines. I mean, keep them small. Small PRs are good. God, I wish my coworkers would make smaller PRs. My life would be so much easier. My team's pretty good about it, but man, reviewing those mega PRs, pain in the ass. Oh, I'm gonna do this again. GPG token password. Copy that. Paste here. I know my coworkers hate me then. PRs are always 10,000 lines code. Damn. Well, if it's just fucking package lock.json, you're fine. At this point, we should probably add a tmux command since you're a daily user now. Listen, the only reason that I have tmux here, this is actually fucking genius. You ready for this? This is, well, it's either genius or terrible. The only reason that Tmux is there is so that I can serve a website that I can refresh from bed to show me my shiny hunting. Tina has even checked this. What do you mean no? Oh, the only reason it's no is because you couldn't remember the 2 on the end. You tried to check this. I was, yeah, it was the divorce. But it was very touching that you tried to. Yeah. Even though you couldn't remember the host, you remember Babby Box. Why is that hard to forget? Oh no. I just thought about other ways that could be interpreted. Dmitry Maximov DevSex. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Woo! Okay, anyway. Yeah, so the reason it's Tmux is so that I can serve it out of this web browser chilling out here. Oh look, you can see my IP address. Don't hack me. At 192.168.1.67. My work laptop is 1.64. I tried to pin my VM to 1.69, but it didn't work. I can feel her eyes rolling from over here. Too late, I'm in! Moomy, how you doing? Good to see you again. It's always good to... Never mind. Whew. Yeah, hello? I hacked in, but my router just started smoking. Blaze it up. Yeah, you accidentally all the shiny Pokemon. Oh, did you see the shiny Delcatty? Do you want to see the screenshot? Look! My Delcatty. It's skinny color, yeah. So, chat, do you know the cursed fact about Skitty?
Oh no. Oh.
No. How do I do this without giving away the mouse? So Skitty is this teeny tiny Pokemon. 2 feet tall. Solid 11 kilograms. That's like, yeah. So if we look at the egg groups, it's in egg group field. And if we look at egg group field, there's a lot of Pokemon in it. Oh, Vaporeon's in field too.
No!
But there's one particular Pokemon in field called Wailord. And Wailord is 47 feet. So Skitty and Wailord can breed. Says, oh no. Wilfred says, I want to watch. Dude, Skitty would just fucking fall in. Or get... or drown. Anyway, there's a whole, I'm not gonna search it, but this acronym... Yeah, you can see there are recommendations here. Hot Skitty on Wailord action. Good luck. I'm so sorry. Look, I'm a curious shill. I'm in. That's some freaky shit. Yeah. Anyway. Skitty problems. Okay, what the fuck was I doing? Add this, change versions. Oh, this is the old one. Hopefully that's fine. Uh, Ethan. Oh god, I hope you didn't hear the nonsense that just happened. Thank you for the resub at 47 months! Someone's been subbed for almost 4 years? Yeah, you can? Okay. Oh, don't worry, I did. Oh no. I'm so sorry. Oh, but thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. I hope that you're doing well. Fuck, where's my DCH command? Not this tab, clearly. This tab we can get rid of. Not that tab. There we go. This is what we want. So tilde alpha 0. 3.13 tilde alpha 1 dash 1 plus head detached. Kill me. How did I get detached? How am I in this repo? Jimmy. Oh boy. 13 tilde alpha 1 jammy 1. Sounds right. 313 tilde alpha 0 tilde alpha 1 dash 1 jammy 1. Python 3.13 dash 0 alpha. That looks wrong. Alpha 1 release. Jammy, jammy, jammy. Oh, I shouldn't have done it in this order. Should follow my directions. Yeah, I gotta refresh patches first. Never mind. Nope. So ready for next step, HDR. What is HDR? I'm not familiar. Joan Munder says, just Google the Pokefusion site and see what horror they create. Don't look at Miltank fusions. Oh god. DH compat 2? Oh no. Yeah. Hate it when I randomly end up with a detached head. Wilfred has intrusive thoughts, you're gonna lurk. Oh, that skitty wailord got you hot and bothered. Oh no. Refresh patches. 1, 2, Jammy, please, 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 please be. Please no conflict. Please no conflict. Oh my god, look at all that pre-commit. Seems to have worked. Change log finished. Yo? Did it just do the DCH-V for me? Yo? Okay. Damn, pass me, made this shit easy for me. Add dynamic range display thing makes colors more vibrant. Oh. Kevin says, I rewatched War Games yesterday. Such a great movie given its time. I fucking love that movie. I might even say it's my favorite movie. I really like it. It's bad, but it's also good. It has a lot of sentimental value. I think it's pretty good for its... yeah, the acting is maybe not the best, but I really like the movie. I really like it. You have it on Windows if your monitor supports HDR. When did HDR become a thing? Because my current monitor is really fucking old. Yeah, I don't have HDR then. I don't think any of my monitors are 2021 or newer. Yeah, because this one, the one you're seeing, is from 2007. Holy shit. My top monitor is 2018. I don't know when the right monitor is because I stole it. But I suspect it's from like 2018-ish. But yeah, I need to get a new primary screen because I mean this the monitor has been a champ. It's really trucked it out for so long. How did you send me Skit Lord? You take care of your eyes and upgrade your monitor screens? These monitors.
I would stop twitching.
My eye only twitches when I get stressed the fuck out because work sucks. And Fruffy.
Get a new monitor. You don't have to look at work.
And Fruffy.
That's not.
What? Kevin says, I'm with Anthony, like, you don't watch it because you want to see A+ acting, you watch it because of everything else. It's AI, what's not to like? Yeah, I mean, it is kind of like that. Joshua. Speaking of Joshua, thank you for the follow, Joshua5E0. Welcome to the stream, I hope you're doing well. Have you watched War Games? It's one of my favorite movies, we'll have to watch it. I thought we watched 2 movies. We watched something Spider-Verse, yeah. And we watched Everything Everywhere All at Once. Didn't we watch one more? I'm 0 for 2 on not crying. Hello? No? They willingly give me their lunch money. I'm not stealing it. War Games and Princess Bride are 2 of the most rewatchable movies I've ever seen. I feel you there. Tricelex, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, in theory, this will just build. Oh, but we want to enable PGO. Even though it's mostly just so I don't fucking forget. Enable PGO, LTO. Oh, that's not how you spell that. Good thing we can rewrite history. What do Mercurial users do? They just make a typo in their commit message and just fucked forever? You can watch War Games for a low price on Amazon Prime. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have it pirated from years ago. We cry? I mean, yeah, you're using Mercurial, you might as well already cry. Someone says, for some reason, I think the first Harry Potter movie is the movie I've seen the most times. Yeah. I used to be a big fan of the Harry Potter franchise, but it's really hard for me to support it after all the bullshit that JKR has done. That rat bitch. I'm gonna rebase on this. Alright, we get to do a prediction. Oh boy, the last one was 100 to 0. Alright. Will the build succeed? Maybe I should have turned off succeed. I spelled it wrong. Homage to small ant. Will the build succeed? I'll let you gamble your points. I'm actually gonna turn off PGO and LTO so it finishes during the stream. But we'll put it back afterwards. PGO and LTO rarely makes it break, so. Going on a loop is regarding transgender people. Yeah, JK Rowling is like extremely truthful, trans exclusionary, radical feminist. I don't even know if she's a feminist though, because I think she just hates trans people. which is fucked up. J.K.R. is J.K. Rowling, Harry Potter author. Yeah. Richer than the Queen. Oh, the Queen's dead. Who else in England has money? Is there a king? Is there a prince? Does anyone know anything about the royal fucks? Anyway, when the Queen was alive, she was richer than the Queen. Wait, what is the prediction done already, or did I fuck it up? Oh, we got a 60-30, 60-40 split. Buster Casey's got a belief. Ethan's got a non-belief. Hey, there we go. All right, let's see what happens. Runebooks build. It's probably gonna fail real quick. Kevin says I'm on VPN, so I'm gambling again. Hey, there you go. I am not encouraging gambling. Shush. You heard, no encouragement of gambling. Yeah, we're on this step right now. Adjust until successful. Oh, but while this is building, because it's gonna take fucking forever. Actually, I need to fill up my water. So I'm gonna do that real quick. We're gonna play with OCR while this is building, because it's gonna take like 20 minutes. Oh, this is gonna beep. It's gonna beep while I'm pissing, while I'm getting water. All right, I'll be right back. I'll see you in a sec. What? No. I'll see you in a sec. We're back. I'm putting down the desk though, because my legs are tired. Oh god, here we go. Ah. Are you farting on my stream and then blaming me?
That was not me.
That was not me. Kevin is where all my butts go. Misty's nuts. Hello. Good to see you again. What? Yeah. Their name is literally Misty's nuts. Their name used to be Sundari Tubeworm. Yeah, and they had an adorable icon. Do you still have your adorable icon? No. Where's your adorable icon? Whisper says Miss D's nuts. What else do you miss? D of the Snuts family, yeah. Purple Purrin. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Is that a Damn, what is that? Oh shit. I get outed for this. Is that a welcome to the NHK reference? The avatar? Yeah, your avatar. Yeah, your old worm. Your wormy worm. Well, it hasn't failed yet, so that's a good sign. Fuck, what was I doing? Right, so we're looking at OCR stuff. I probably shouldn't edit this live. Oh my god, there's so much junk here. Oh, most of it's just logs. Okay, so I'm just gonna play with this in a temporary directory and see what we got. I need to find an image. I think I have some in here. Grips, Scarlet Violet, types. Oh yeah, we can find some text here. This will be plenty fine to do stuff on. Oh, that's not how that works. Also, these are probably going to beep because the machine is loaded. Purple Purpurine says it was a modified name from a generator. Oh, well, welcome, welcome. I'm glad that your Twitch color is purple too. Unless it's random. No, it is purple. Thank goodness. Welcome, welcome. I want to get a crop of that image. Where did it go? Okay, here's where we got our thingy thing. CV2.I am right. Get frame y n dot y start x n dot x to crop dot png. Scripts sv types. That's not how this script works. You are subbed. You received a gift sub today. Naval, she says, oh yeah, welcome to the NHK anime. I remember that. Yeah, it is a thing that does exist. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab some of these ones. Can I? Oh, I always get these out of order. Actually, just this tech. That's the one we're gonna use as our little demo. Cool. Looks good. That's not where I want to put that. Temp Y, that's where we're hanging out. Where is our get text? Yes, this is the function that we're trying to beat. We need the point class. Yeah, that's not shiny. Oh wait, this is... Yeah, that is not shiny. It's lagging because of the build. Yeah, that's gonna beep a bit. I'm sorry. That's what you get for running everything on the same computer. restart it. Grab our point class. Don't think I need all that, but let's actually just get rid of this since we're not actually doing that. We can just get the crop directly. All right, Jar, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. All right, so this is the old version. Let's make sure it still works. If name equals main, space system exit main. cv2.im read. Don't actually know. Get text crop. Invert equals. Install cv2. It's Python OpenCV. Double check that before I just install a random package from the internet. OpenCV Python. Damn, I was close. OpenCV Python. Oh boy, what is this? Writing 1 byte into a region of size 0. That's the decimal. What a fucking funny warning. Holy shit. Alright. What the fuck is it doing? Why is it so slow? What is happening? Holy shit, that was slow. It's because it's doing a big build. God damn. Okay, so we're probably not going to be able to get meaningful timing out of this. God damn. Oh, that's annoying. Yeah, so I basically want to profile this, but since my machine is loaded, I'm going to profile well. I could SH to another machine. Do I have another machine? Oh. Problem. What am I gonna do there? Well, hopefully this will finish soon. Regretting rest? Yeah. I'm sure that'll help. Okay, so let's figure out how to use tester OCR. I cannot find any information on this. If I have a ton of constants, is it fine to use upper space classes as namespaces? Yeah, nothing would stop you. My current take on constants and constants files and constants classes and constants namespaces is most of the time. Shiny. What? Sorry, a beep. My current take on constants and constant classes and such is that most of the time you don't actually want constants, and that it's much easier to read if the constants are inlined. What? I mean, yeah, you get things like static byte question underscore mark equals single quote question mark single quote. And it's like, no, you're not really making this more readable. You're making it harder to understand. Like if I ever saw a code where it was like constants dot question mark, I'd be like, hold on, why the fuck do we have a constant for a question mark? And then look at what it actually is defined as, and then get blame and try and fire the engineer. I think constant's good for magic values. Yeah, things are magic, but like if you see 7 times 24 times 60 in a function, I think that's going to be much more like that's pretty understandable that it's, you know, number of minutes in a week. Instead of being like, oh, I guess I better check whether days in week is still 7. Fuck, we might be in a 6-day week. But I don't know. I've been meaning to make a video about this because it's like I see people over abuse constants for like, oh, I wrote a string literal in line. Guess I better make it into a constant. And I made the same mistake too because like, you know, no magic values, no literals. You don't like status.hp 200 okay, which is literally a constant of 200? Yeah, that's fucking stupid. That's so much more typing when you could have just written 200. 200 is just as readable as status.hp 200 okay. Except now I need an import and need to make sure that someone hasn't defined hp 200 okay as 205 for some goddamn reason. It's understandable on its own, but if we have a number being 69 420, that means you have admin rights and it can make sense for content. Sure, yeah. If it's truly not, you know, not obvious, then absolutely make a constant. Like I'll give you a good example of where I made a constant and I was like, okay, fine, this shouldn't be inlined. I was fucking around with my digital to analog converters, and I needed to put a random voltage that's not 5 volts. It's supposed to be 5 volts, but for some reason my microcontroller is 4.59. And also my DAC is supposed to output exactly 1.8 volts, but it doesn't, so I gotta subtract and add some numbers to get them to be accurate. Like, this is a use where it actually makes sense. But if you just put, like, you know, if I actually use this value besides this computation here, in fact, this is probably a bad constant. I should have just fucking put 1.8 here. But I didn't for some goddamn reason. But yeah, I think most constants are not that useful. Like this, I could have put this in a constant, but then I'd have to read and figure out where it is and figure out why it's 355 for some goddamn reason. Anyway, I think people overuse constants, but yeah. I use the HP constant so I don't accidentally status that HP 418 I'm a teapot. Arguably 69 420 is a strong indicator of admin rights. Maybe it was a bad example, yeah. They use a value multiple places and interacts with all of them, then sure, constant makes sense. Okay, yeah. But if you're only using it once, just fucking inline it. I don't want to have to hunt and peck for whatever you've defined random variable for. Just fucking inline it. It's so much easier to read. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we gotta do the fast version of this. Import. God, I hope it's fast. How does the API of tesseract work? I test base API. Oh, it's kind of annoying that it's context manager. I was hoping it would just be garbage collection based. Because now I'm gonna add an indentation to all my fucking scripts. Is there a project that returns the teapot one because I messed up? Yes. I tend to use... What is this? Oh, obfuscated C contest. Oh, yeah. Everybody loves context. Okay, don't get me wrong. I love context managers, but this is one of the cases where I shouldn't. I feel like I shouldn't need context management for memory management, because all this is doing is calling free at the end. Like, that's where del actually kind of makes sense. But whatever. This is where I would have done it better in CFFI, but maybe I will do it in CFFI. This doesn't have what I want. Well, let's just fucking make one of these and see what it is. PyTest base API. Oh, okay. That surprisingly worked. Set image file. Set image bytes. Hello? Crop.png. Oh god. How do I numpy to bytes? True Aura Coral. Welcome, welcome. 2 bytes. Is there a view for this? Like, what if I just take a fucking pointer to this? Are you cleaning your keyboard? Oh my god, what the fuck? Do you want my plucker? Yeah, then you can really clean it. Object to simplify the interaction with array of the C-types model. Well, it's not really C-type. Area of the array is a Python integer. Not aligned or not in correct byte order. Might not even be writable. Oh, it's .c-types? Oh, look at that. Not data? That's pointer. Okay. Hello? Don't offer your plucker on the stream. It's supposed to be family friendly. Still building there. Okay, so I can get the pointer. But I don't think this is what I want. What does this do? Use data instead. Okay. Oh, this is a memory view? Memory view from NumPy. Oh, is it literally just memory view? Oh, it's .data? Oh, neat. Tina, you good over there? She is putting a number in. Why did you just do the like crack snorting motion with your keyboard as you're removing gunk from it with What is the not brand name for Q-tips? Cotton swabs. Sure, but at least I'm not like a boomer that says Xeroxing. Yeah. Someone. Oh, it used to happen all the time when they were sending facsimiles. Can you Xerox that for me? Don't Xerox that floppy. Can someone explain what a memory view is? It's basically just like access to the direct bytes. So if I do like image.data 0, multi-dimensional subviews are not implemented. This must be the NumPy memory view and not the Python memory view. Anyway, it's supposed to be a bytes view directly to the actual object. It's weird that I cannot. Like, I can do this to get the actual bytes out. But I want to avoid converting to a bytes object. I want to be able to just access it directly. Doesn't seem right. 5 positional arguments, motherfuck. What is it supposed to be? Set image bytes. Image data int width, int height, bytes per pixel, bytes per line. Okay, so if we do image.data width height. Bytes per line? Okay, so API edit set image bytes image.data width height or height width? Width height 152.35 bytes per pixel 3 bytes for line 3 times 152. Expected bytes got memory view. God damn it. Ah. It's kind of annoying. I wish it would just take it from the raw bytes. Like, I've already got it in a contiguous chunk of memory. Just fucking read it. Oh, damn it. Did it again. Also not shiny. Yeah, that's what I get for doing big ol' builds. This is the last one. LTO unclear. Don't know where the output is there. Anti-Lucio, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Unclear what one it's building right now. Yeah, we'll find out soon enough. I'm surprised this one hasn't beeped yet. Oh, it's about to beep. I think it hasn't beeped because it's stuck. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's super stuck. It is not shiny. You heard about the bun hype? I have. I tried to get it working for Sentry and I was unable to. Because it does install things quickly. Array. Really, someone else has tried to do this. Use this without pillow and use OpenCV instead. Yeah, this is expensive. Yeah, this is what I tried. Damn, are we making a new library because this doesn't work? This is expensive. It shouldn't need to do that. $2020. Is this really what I'm gonna use? What I'm gonna convince myself that I should make my own bindings? Annoying. WTZNC, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Pillow should be illegal. Pillows. Terrible. I love brace expansion and bash. It's pretty nice, yeah. Hell yeah. Well, you W2ZN WTZNC. Welcome to the stream. What do you want me to call you? Because I'm not gonna be able to do that every time. Damn it. I really wanted to use this library. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be WT. Sounds good. Welcome, WT. Real programmers do not depend on libraries. Ah. Wat zinc. Okay, I'm gonna see if my CFI version of this works. And if so, we might fucking abandon. Oh, we need to add the other header. Oh, I already cloned it. Did I build it? No. Oh, this is gonna fuck things up even more. I feel like we tried to do this and we were missing a library last time. Oh. One also locked up. Annoying. Pratik says, is it Ubuntu? What is this? There we go. But no, let's ask how's the interviews going, Ethan? And Ethan said, very good. I have more news Monday, most likely. Nice. Nice. Okay, make. We'll try and not fuck my computer too much. Nico Chief says, what are your top 3 pop punk albums? Ooh. That's tough. I feel like it's hard to not put Move Along in there. Though I kind of like When the World Comes Down more than Move Along. We're gonna pick an All American Rejects album. It's hard to not put Ocean Avenue in there. And gotta be a Blink-182 album. I don't want to say their compilation album though, because Best Of is like Best Of is great, but compilation albums aren't really albums. You know what I mean? What is even the I can't think of the Blink-182 album names. Yeah, it would have to be those ones. Move Along, Ocean Avenue, and whatever fucking Blink-182 album I would pick. Iguchi says, I think the Best Of DVD was the first DVD I ever bought. Yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one. I do actually really like the Best of Blink-182 quote unquote album. They put a bunch of really good stuff in it. Damn, I think this build is actually going to succeed, wildly enough. Juice met Choco Drinks at TwitchCon. I'm so sad we didn't. But no, it's fine. Wouldn't you wanted to meet Choco? No? Oh no. Your points, it does look like it's going to succeed, Wilfred. Yeah, this is the last part before it succeeds. While we build this shit. Gotta work, but I'll be back in it. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by, Ethan. Y'all weren't born when Kids Bob was around. That was garbage back in the day. Also, Sir, listen. The songs they put in there were fire. The music left a bit to be desired. That almost rhymed. Whoa. It's taking forever. I'm so impatient. There's so many builds. I wonder what Top says. Top is probably real mad at me. Load average of 8. Yep. 6-year-old Anthon wasn't in his high chair going crazy to Kids Bop. I feel like there was some like... I feel like there was some... I want to say my parents were like, no, this is garbage, you're going to listen to real music. But I don't remember. It's been so long. It's like, no, we don't need kids doing shitty covers of songs. We can listen to the real shit. Like, didn't Kids Bop do a WAP cover? Wasn't that a thing? I feel like that was a thing. There was an executive decision that Kids Bop wasn't going to be played. Yeah, they did. It was absolute shit. See, at least you can admit to that. Oh my god, my poor computer is so sad. Oh, this is the last bit, so it's gonna succeed. But come on, WAP. They either should have not attempted it or gone full sell on it. They shouldn't have just like halved in the middle. Wait, the Vox has finally finished customizing NeoVim. I know it's so naive to think this way, but at least I can say for now. Yeah, I know people that started customizing NeoVim and then never stopped. And never did anything else. They're just stuck in there. Oh, my old coworker just watched one of my YouTube videos and commented hearts for the casual inheritance diss. Oh. I'm glad they watched it. I'm glad they commented. I just changed my favorite punk albums, and usually they have Enema of the State and Black Parade in there. Oh, Black Parade. Okay, Black Parade, yeah. It's hard to argue with Black Parade. I remember watching the videos on MTV with my brother. Yeah, back when they played music, right? Okay, but what about the Now That's What I Call Music, quote-unquote, albums? I had purged those from my brain. This is almost done. Sorry, we're just waiting around for this to finish. It is a little bit annoying that Tesser OCR does not work for NumPy arrays. Given it would be so useful. It's so close. Steve Bandito, hello! Good to see you again. Hello, hello. Remember we all had to listen to music on MTV? Yeah. VH1, oh fuck. See, I didn't have cable either, so it was go over to my friend John and Dan's house and watch MTV on their TV. You can get Fat Lip blaring. Yeah. Yeah. Oramus, hello, hello. How you doing? T and I did go and see Sum 41 on their final tour. Yeah, we were at the Yellow Card concert the day before, and people were talking about, yo, are you gonna go see Sum 41 tomorrow? And we're like, well, we could. And then we did. And then we both got sick. And then we died, and it fucking sucked. Did I have a GameCube? I was not allowed to have physical consoles. My first physical console was a Wii in college. We weren't really supposed to have handhelds either, but my mom was like, "Here you go, you can have a Game Boy Color." And then my cousin was like, "I want to play Pokemon with you." Aunt lady, can you buy cousins Game Boy Advances so that they can play Ruby and Sapphire with us? Once I got Game Boy Advances then. And then I spent my own money to buy a DS Lite. I rather bought a DS Fat and we shared it. We scratched the shit out of the bottom screen though playing Troze, which was a Pokemon spin-off game. It was a lot of fun though. Alright, our prediction. Choose outcome. Yes, the build did succeed. Alright, let's put this back. Get cherry pick this, get rebase, add this, reorder them, and release. For fuck's sake, you lost a bunch of points, Wilfred. Damn, a lot of points changed hands there. 54k went to Buster Casey and 7 others. Good job, believers. You win this time. Nikuchi says, when I saw Sum 41, they were awesome, super on point. Yeah, I was a little bummed they didn't play Pieces. But they did play my favorite song, which is Walking Disaster. Remember we all downloaded pirated MP4s from LimeWire, edited them down to 10 to 12 seconds, and pushed them on our flip phones to have a sweet ringtone? I was not allowed to have a cell phone until I was 16? So I actually did not get to experience the ringtone frenzy. By the time I had a cell phone, I preferred vibrate. Jad, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Have you ever heard of Kilo, the text editor? I have heard of it, yes. Yes, it's a small C editor. Bill took so long I almost made my points back from watching. True. What if we have more intrusive thoughts? Oh no. That's not good. Alright, upstream slash... I'm just gonna copy the same code, aren't I? I could just reuse this branch. And then give it the focal name? I'm trying to be better, but I'm failing. Ubuntu slash focal. And then we have to force the version. Focal 1. Dash B to force. New package for focal. Focal. Marsma, thank you for the resub at 35 months. It does mean that AOC is starting soon. I don't know how much of it I want to do this year, because given I don't feel like I'm going to be competitive against the AI bullshit, but we're going to do some of it at least. Also have plans to travel in the middle of it, so see what happens there. But we're going to try and do some AOC, at least a little bit. Maybe Eric will have some smart way to thwart the AI. Wilfred says you don't talk to us. What? Wait, what? What do you mean? They're not doing anything against the AI stuff. It's kind of hard to prevent it, given that it's just a blob of text and you spin a number, and so like you can not really get away from it. But yeah. Oh, I don't talk to you when I do AOC. Yeah, I get all sweaty for it. But given I'm probably not going to be able to leaderboard due to OpenAI garbage, I'm probably just going to not be sweaty about it and do it on whatever time. But end of an era, a little bit sad, but what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Considering doing it this year in C++, learned a shit ton doing it in Python a few years ago. Oh, nice. Are you gonna do modern C++, or like, I don't know, honestly, the C++ I know the best is probably C++ 03 with a sprinkling of C++11. Actually, maybe it's the other way around. Maybe it's C++11 with a sprinkling of 17. But it is, I guess, wild that C++11 is a decade old now, decade plus. Modern probably 17 or 20. Nice. Maybe some context which changes every day, like text in your profile should be sufficient to prevent at the start with programs are simpler. I don't know. There's usually a lot of pros in AOC, and the AIs are able to pick out the important parts. So I don't know. Wilfred says, "Are you at the point in your career where you just get system design interviews more than data structures and algorithms?" Yeah, for the most part. Although it really depends on the company. Like I want to say Stripe, I had 1 programming interview and then like 3 design interviews, which was silly because 2 of them were the same, and someone I would be like, "Yeah, the last dude asked me this question." But Simadito says, "I'll probably do it like 6 p.m. the next day after work rather than midnight the day the problem comes out." Yeah, that's probably more likely about what I'll do. I wish there's a way to write the problems in a way that makes the chatbots explode. Yeah. Yeah. Wilfred says, "I think system design is much harder than data structures and algorithms, at least to me." I think data structures and algorithms can be more gotcha than a system design problem, in that there can be some like weird algorithmic twist that you just don't know, and so you're fucked forever. Whereas system design, you can usually find an interesting part of the design to just drill into and demonstrate knowledge there. So I think that I can be a more compelling candidate in a data science in data science in a system design than in a programming interview. But I also think I'm much more comfortable designing systems than I am doing bullshit algorithm stuff. As much as I enjoy doing, I'm not saying AOC is bullshit algorithm stuff, but it's similar. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway. On the opposite, my system design area at my current job had me sweating. Oh no. Okay, so in theory the Dead Snake stuff is done. This has built. This should put it in the prefix directory. And I need to fill up my water, so I'm gonna do that real quick. I really wanted to use tesseract, but I feel like in order to use it, I have to do a bunch of copies and conversions of the pixel data, and I didn't want to do that. Q Works, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Okay, we've got a prefix. We can now tesseract prefix include tesseract CAPI. So in here, in here, got that already. We need to. There should be a set image. Const unsigned char star image data width height bytes per pixel bytes per line. Okay, should be able to do this. It can be way harder, especially if the interviewer wants to make it difficult on purpose. I feel like that happened to me. Just bring up Kafka in some way. Easy pass. Alcio says, I want to learn programming starting with Python. Do you have some advice? I do. Getting started programming. Yeah, check out that video. That's my advice there. Also, missed ShatsFX. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Copy this. What is this .h language? Yeah, it's a C header. Oh, except I think I need to get rid of whatever the fuck this is here. Oh, and now these look ugly. I mean, they looked ugly to begin with, but... Oh, do you fit on online now? Oh. No. Oh, this is the old code. Damn. Do I have this file? Yeah. That's weird noise. Maybe I should encode this in here. Maybe we'll just put this in our thingy down at the bottom. Bin ctx tesseract bash. So we're gonna cheat a little bit. This data path. Alright, stupid question. I'm curious, why do you do multi-line comments with a backslash inside? Oh, multi-line strings? It is subtle. I should probably make a video about this. Video idea. The only place I use backslashes in Python. So if you make a string, like this, You would expect it to just have these lines in it. But when you look at this, it starts with a new line at the beginning, which means this is actually line 2, despite kind of looking like line 1. It does nicely end in a new line, so if you're like trying to pretend it's file contents, you get this. But if you escape the first new line, then the lines match up exactly. This new line doesn't exist, and this is precisely file contents. So it's very subtle, but I find that this works better. The other reason that the other reason that I used to do this is, and I don't know if it still does this. The other reason that I used to do this is, oh, they fixed it. Nano used to highlight this wrong. Nano used to get confused about where this string starts and ends. But they fixed it at some point. And so it used to be a trick to get the highlighter to do better here. Oh god, what have I done? Yeah, okay, well clearly I fucked up the highlighting somehow there. But yeah, that would be the other reason why. We're gonna try and amortize the startup here, since that's a more accurate description of what we want. API, and then we need to call FFI dot, no, lib dot test space API init 3 something. And I'll of course make this not require these ugly bytes, but we're just trying to get it. We're just trying to get this working. How's the shiny hunting going, by the way? I'm down to very few left. Although I woke up in a cold sweat last night and then couldn't sleep and remembered a shiny that I forgot. Which is that... so there's an arbitrary code execution glitch in Emerald which allows you to get the tickets and get the tickets that were only given out at events. And I got a shiny Deoxys in Japanese Emerald, but the Deoxys ticket was never given out in Japan in Emerald. So technically, even though I acquired it through legitimate means, Deoxys, my shiny Deoxys is illegitimate. So I need to redo this into English Emerald, where the ticket was actually given out. Yeah, although I might do it in Fire Leaf Green, just because the RNG will be... I won't have to RNG abuse to get it, because Emerald RNG is broken! Even though I accidentally got it in Japanese Emerald where the RNG was broken, I happened to have an early shiny frame, so I got really lucky there. But this is all that's remaining at the moment. These are ones that might come out in the next DLC. Does Firehead have the same exploit? No. You perform arbitrary code execution in Emerald. You acquire an egg that has a function pointer to... essentially a function pointer to the box. Trade that over to Fire and Leaf Green, and then hatch it, and it will trigger the same exploit. So it's not the same exploit because Pommic Berry didn't exist there, but you can chain the exploit from Emerald. But yeah, basically down to the last few. I have all but completed. I have one Pokemon left in 2nd gen that I can get wild. These are not available in the wild. This one is, but it's really hard to get. I'm done with 3rd gen. 4th gen, I'm missing these 2 Pokemon, which are barely available in Legends Arceus. And this one, which is also barely available in Legends Arceus. 5th gen, I'm missing 2 starters and these 2nd stage monkeys and this fossil, which aren't available. 5th gen, or 6th gen, I have everything. So 6th gen is done. 7th gen, I'm missing 2 of the starter Pokemon, otherwise I'm done. 8th gen, I'm missing starters. Oh, I guess I'm missing this legendary that I can't get wild caught. 8th gen, I'm missing the starters, that's it. 9th gen, I'm missing the starters, and then a few Pokemon that can only be obtained in raids, which makes them really hard to get shiny. But yeah, other than that, I have it all. Is the list have currently in a storage box or have had at some point? This is so if it is this column, it's ones that I have. If it's this column, it's ones that I could get by evolving. So like I have 1 Squirtle, 2 War Turtles, and I could evolve them to get a Blastoise. I'm currently trying to get Blastoise in not the game that you see here, but the other one. So I don't evolve any of the Pokemon that I catch shiny. So I have caught all of these at the stage that they say they are. Yeah. So I basically have a living shiny dex with no evolution. Is what I'm trying to do. Oh, that'll be good enough, whatever. 0. What? 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 This was working in a temporary directory. Oh. Because there's this tesseract binary here. It is fucking up because it doesn't have the data. So to apples, we have to do user bin tesseract. Is not defined. What do you mean? Well, just T. Level older Pokemon because the insane glitches that they have. Yeah. Yeah. But after a certain Spyro! Thank you for the resub at 14 months with Prime. Appreciate your continued support. Good to see you again, and those ads being deleted. Multiple spaces after keyword, indeed. Okay, so it doesn't crash now. That's good. If I do lib.test basic API set image. API, and then crop.data. Crop.shape 0, crop.shape 1. Oh, I guess I can probably just do crop.shape and then crop.shape 1 times crop.shape 2. Big fault. Initializer for C-type unsigned char star must be a C data pointer, not memory view. Why? Oh my god, they're doing the same thing I am. What the fuck? uh... Ah. Specified from buffer. Is it unsigned Kirstar? Lovely. Unsigned, const unsigned Kirstar. Yeah. This should actually be in here. Um, it doesn't segfault. Okay, so now we need UTF test base API get UTF-8 text. Malajan says, what does the star mean in the arguments to get text 2? It means named only arguments. Parameter types. Yeah, check out that video, which goes over the details there. I've been wandering. Welcome to the stream. D-Dolls! Hello, hello. How you doing? Ah! What's the ah? Or what, why scream? Lib test space API get UTF-8 text equals, we need to do the ffi.gc this lib.test, it's like free text or something like that. Delete text. I don't remember how to get the garbage out of this. There's no function constant. Oh, right. We need to reinstall. We're reviewing intern code all day. Oh, no. Will the code get asked back for a permanent position? Ret. Ret. Ret.decode? How do I get the fucking shit out of it? Ah! I don't remember how to do this. Good thing Past Me has done this before. Bytes buff 0 length dot decode. That is not obvious at all. Kirstar has no length. How do I get the length? Slice stump must be specified. Oh, do I need to like fucking Sterling this? I wish it had a size. Maybe there is. Page number. I don't know how many characters there are. Annoying. I think I have to add Sterling in there. Gross, Sterling. What is this? C? Yeah. Gotta fucking Sterling this. It's so gross. I don't actually know how to do that. I think I have to. Was that in string.h? Holy fuck. BGKRDSTN, thank you for the follow, welcome, welcome. And Rick Dev, thank you as well. Your space says your hands looks like two suns, they're so bright. Yeah. The color balance here is not great. Here's a more realistic. Yeah, you can see that the color balance is off a bit. But yeah, I need to replace this camera. Because it's not great. Kegsit is back. Hello, hello, how you doing? Lead code rating 8 out of 8, mate. I don't know that this is how this works. I could also define a function here that's less shit. Doing great. How about you? I'm doing alright. I'm doing alright. Like I'm pretty sure I did this for. Pretty sure I had the same problem here, where I needed to get the Sterling out, and so I need a rid of the wrapper function somewhere. Yeah, these sort of things. NASA, thank you for the raid. Welcome, Raiders. How you doing today? How was your stream? What were you up to? My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python stuff. Some things you may have heard of that I work on are Precommit, PyTest, Tox, Flake8, Dead Snakes, PyUpgrade, and 50 other things. Today we are working on an OCR library called Tesseract. I'm building a little wrapper around it because I was unhappy with the other wrapper that I was going to try and use, because I think I can do better. We are currently struggling with pulling data out of this because it is a C pointer. You built a snake game in Python with chat. Oh, that sounds fun. Let me. Oh, I already did the thing. Okay, cool. My viewers should check you out too. Cofish says, "Are you developing the tesseract library?" I am not. I'm writing a little Python wrapper for it, though. At least that's the plan. Unless I don't like what it does, and then we'll be back to the beginning again. Yeah, okay. I think I'm going to write a little function in here to get the value out, although I don't know how that's going to work. Enderspace, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's just hack it together with Sterling for now. Yeah. What is it? Size T, Sterling, char star, S? Is that the prototype? Sterling, string.h. God, these links are all bad. This is the C++ header. That's close enough. Pip install G event. Hello. Hold on, let's try that again. Use it for scanning text documents. Yeah, it's part of what's powering the Pokemon auto playing that's going on down there. I've been wondering, says get it as dark mode. Yeah, their dark mode sucks. It's too dark. I don't like it. no, lib.strlen ret, and then turn bytes ret 0 length not decode. There's no way this works, right? Bytes object cannot be interpreted as an integer. What? What? That Sterling is 0. Fuck me. Why? One of the reasons might be because it's in BGR instead of RGB. But I don't know. Yeah, it is certainly a null byte right at the beginning. Huh. Why does bytes of an empty string not work? Oh, it does. Why? What was the error message then? What? Why did I get an error here? But I have literally the same code. Oh no. It's non-deterministic. Fellow TV says this is horrible, right? Oh, we got the error. What the fuck? It's annoying that this does not have a way to convert to string. CFFI convert char star to string. How do I get the data out? Oh, look, they have Sterling. Mm. I do not remember how to do this. I have nightmares about this. Usually it's fine. So Barclot says all these split keyboards make my head hurt. They're fine. Trying to name my child Sterling, but pronounced Sterling. Oh no. Fuck. Not value? What attributes do you have? Because dir isn't working. This is what the type has. This is gonna be nonsense. Fuck. Unicode Z returns it as normal Unicode string. Bytes object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Unicode from string? Yeah. Not quite what I need here. Very strange. FFI not buffer. Oh, is this what I want? Sure. Ta-da! We did it. Obviously, this is what I needed. Yeah, we're just gonna ignore the segfault there. No problems here. I think it's because we returned in the middle of running here. Oh, actually, it's probably because we borrowed the memory view here. And then, or no, we borrowed it here. And then we're actually done with it after here. But yeah, so it's not parsing the text properly. And it's not deterministics, which is terrifying. So we got some work to do. I think it has to do with the parsing mode. Like there's this like PSR somewhere. PSM. What is it? PSM. They passed it in here directly. Does that work? Page segmentation mode. Yeah, we want 7, whatever the fuck that is. But how does it get passed along? Page segmentation mode. Here's our initializer. See init. Init API. Oh, set page seg mode. That's what we want. Okay. Oh fuck, I didn't copy the actual function. We're still not apples to apples because we haven't done the same conversions on both sides, but that's fine. It's actually nasty. Nice, Anthon. Yeah, it's not great. Oh, we probably need this enum too. I don't know how it's going to represent that in CFFI land, but we will copy that over up here. I think this is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Probably the one we want. lib.tess base API set something. Set page seg mode. You're really not gonna tell me the things here? Oh, we are. Oh, they're just globals. Okay. Please be 7. Praise the sun. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's working great. Alright, let's even the playing field. Two done. Triple index out of range. Shit. Ethan, welcome back. Hello, hello. How you doing? Crop.shape, right. This will just be something. It probably doesn't have a third shape because it'll probably just be 1. Yeah. Then this should be 1. And then crop.shape 1. Oh, it started. It tried. Very strange. What the fuck? Why? Why? No. Like, what if we... Mm, 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 mm. Do I tell it where the languages are? This data dir. Error opening data file. Why did it not use this one? Sure, test data prefix environment variable is set to that. Well, I sent the fucking environment the command line. Why do I need this? Can't open. Oh, because. Okay. It just sucks at argument parsing. Right? Really, that's what it is? Where's the error? Oh, the image has to be first? Strange. Why? Why are you ignoring my test data there? Does it have to be in the other order? Insane. I don't know how this works. Well, we'll do what it says, even though it feels wrong. And then we should get rid of this? Cannot open 7. Uh... Oh, I use this fucking thing. Dash PSM7. So if I do that again, dash PSM7, and then input crop.png. Okay, so that works fine. So it's clearly something that I'm doing wrong. Ugh. Damn. I don't fucking know. I don't know what I'm doing. Ah. Um. There must be something I'm missing to who knows what. Initialization or parsing or... init. I think I need this. Unless I do need this. Yeah, tesseract rect just calls set image. It calls set image and then set rectangle. So what does set rectangle do? Call after set image. Where's the fucking set image call? Here we go. Yeah, it doesn't actually set the rectangle. Maybe we need to call set rectangle. YSN MRS, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Actually, let's see what tesseract OCR does. We call set image in here. Set image bytes. They just call set image. Recognition. Yeah, I don't think I need this. I don't. Damn, why is it not working? Hello. Tenseract, welcome, welcome. And Ender Space got answered by the bot. Recognize? That do. To get text methods below called recognize if needed. I don't understand how this is supposed to work. I feel like I'm close. Yeah, they just set image and call it. Me the camel case functions? Yeah. It's from a old C library or old C++ library. Let's come along, been in and out. You're still in the tesseract packaging? Kind of, but I'm not doing so hot at the moment. Little stuck. Like I shouldn't need to convert it to. I shouldn't need to convert it into binary. It's actually bytes. No. It is white and black. The Devil Kid, it has been a bit. Good to see you again. How are you doing? It's strange. Is it height width? And I'm doing width height. Might be it. What is the API? It is width height. Damn it. Can I? Crop dot shape 1, crop dot shape 0. Very strange API. Is there like a clear image? Test base API clear. No. How do I make it not have the image anymore? Because right now it's holding onto the image for too long. I think. I don't fucking know. I don't care. Let's fucking go, baby! Oh, we got out the same text. We didn't even do any pre-processing. Oh wait, no, we did do the pre-processing. What happens if you leave it out? Well, no, let's not leave it out. Let's do timing and make sure this is actually faster. Oh fuck. What's the easiest way to do this? For this in range 100, do that, and we'll comment you out. And then, well, how long does this take? Maybe not 100. Maybe we'll do 20. Or we'll do 10. 10? No, we'll do 20. I don't fucking know. Best of N10 Python 3 T2.py. Okay, so this is the old one. Kevin's heading to bed. Well, thank you for stopping by. Always good to see you. Appreciate you hanging out. And the gift sub brewskis and the beers and the good times. And I'll see you around, Kevin. Remaining time. I'm surprised it didn't just fucking explode when I passed it the wrong twisted array. I guess it still grabbed the same pixels and somehow managed to get some nonsense out of it. God, I should have picked a smaller number. This is taking forever. Big lag spike there. Okay, 4 seconds to do 20 of them. This is very non-scientific. Um, let's see what it takes this way. I'm hoping it's faster. Let's see if it feels faster. Oh my fucking god, it feels so much faster. Lamau? Brrr. Holy fuck, it's so much faster. Okay, this is worth it. A properly fault-tolerant C library? Never. God damn, it's so much faster! Okay, well... I guess I'm making a CFFI library then. Cause god damn, that's fast. Woo! Yeah, so... What is the actual... Let's see. If we want to profile this better... We'll see how many it can do in 10 seconds? Zohu, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And then we'll do the same thing, but down here. Since we're gonna basically say that we're amortizing all of the API setup, since that is not gonna run over and over and over. You get text to API this. Yeah, that should give us better apples. Just waiting a good old 10 seconds. 0? Oh, because I forgot to do this. Damn it! $49 for the old one. At least that's consistent. And 526. Okay, so it's 10x faster. Oh, this is so worth it. Okay, that's pretty nice. 11x? Almost, yeah. It's like 10 and 10.7. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's 11x engineering. Okay. Is this CFFI versus some other C bindings? No, this is CFFI versus subprocess. I guess we could do the other apples too. We could do the CFF the Cython bindings. Puzzlehead, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. We get to text 3. But instead of API, we are doing with tesseract dot PSM equals 7. As we'll do all the same things here. And then we have to do API dot set image crop dot 2 bytes. Yeah, crop dot shape 1, crop dot shape 0, 1, crop dot shape 1. That's how that works. Let's set t to something small. Since I don't think it's going to work, because I definitely guessed at their API. CS Pataz says still slow though. Better than nothing. Cause I don't know about you, but OCRing text is gonna be pretty slow. Fuck, what is there? PyTest base API. PyTest base API, and then data path and eng probably. I expect the CFFI one to be. Oh my fucking god. I expect the Tesser OCR one to be about on par. Be about on par with the CFFI one. Set image takes exactly 1 positional arguments. Must be bytes. Oops. Oh fuck. Okay, maybe we won't CFFI then. If this is gonna be that much faster. Fucking A. How? How is it faster? Yeah? Okay, maybe we'll just use the Scython one then. Welp! NumPy goes burr. This isn't even NumPy here. I actually don't know why. I don't know why this is faster. I feel like it should not be. Because we're doing a full bytes conversion. Which we aren't in the CFFI version. Weird. Well, okay. Well, that I guess convinces me that I should not do my CFFI version. Because the Scython is going fast. Are they producing the same results? Yeah. Yeah, they are. I suggest to learn Vim. I suggest you take your recommendations somewhere fucking else and don't tell me what to do. Bye. Yeah, they're producing the same results, so assuming I did this correctly, there's no reason to use the other one. RIP sub! No! Sarcastic Dante! Oh no! Previously sub for 52 months! Ah! I still appreciate you stopping by either way. But yeah, I guess fuck it. We're using the Scython one, even though this call here does a full copy. Our prepaid card that was connected PayPal expired. No. Your home says finally got fancy Discord embeds for shiny notifications working. Oh, are you sending your shiny stuff directly to Dixord? That's pretty cool. Okay, well this tells me that I don't need to waste time writing a CFFI binary or CFFI library. which I guess is good. It would be nice if this just took fucking memory views to begin with. And then, a webhook. Oh, cool. I wonder... You can probably send a pull request that enables it. But shrugs. Feels like a nonsensical report. Yeah, this is the one I already read. Yeah, but I feel like Scython and NumPy should just go burr. But whatever, fuck it. We got something that works, and that's good enough for me. I think I'm gonna wrap up here for today. I'm glad our experiment showed us that I fucked this up somehow. I don't know why they're different. I don't have a good explanation for that. But I also don't super care. It might just be that this is like a big old more complicated copy. This might be a copy. FFI from buffer. Without needing an extra copy. Hmm. Oh, I can do this directly. Maybe this will be... I don't see how that would make it faster though. Let's get rid of the prints. I guess I should print one of them to make sure that we get what we expect. Get text 3. Wild. Be interesting to know why there's a huge difference. Yeah, I'm not really sure. I feel like it shouldn't be. My experience with FFI is that it is basically native speed, but there must be something I'm doing wrong, or like I've compiled tesseract incorrectly, or who knows what. But they should be the same. Really should be the same. Because we do the same CV2 conversion, we call the same stuff here. I don't expect Sterling to be slow. I don't really expect this to be slow. This is what I expect to be slow. I mean, there's probably a world where this is the slow part, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know. But I also don't super care. Will gprof.out help here? I mean, it could, yeah. That we want to do a fixed number of these. Well, no, we can do it with this. We can do it with variable amount. C profile log.paste stats -mt2. And then gprof2.log.paste stats font. -o. Okay, we expect these three to be even. And Lamal, we don't even see any of the we don't see any of the Python code here because it is basically zero overhead, which is sort of normal for Python. And all of the time is spent in get UTF-8 text, which also makes sense. That tells me that I just compiled this poorly. Because the overhead of FFI here is like 9 milliseconds, 8 milliseconds. Which tells me that this library is optimized in some other way that mine is not, despite them being the same. I could swap them out and see what that does, because I, in theory, have a copy of lib whatever the fuck in here. Yeah, we have the libraries in here. So, in theory, assuming their SO names aren't changed, I think I have to get rid of this garbage. And then, what do I have to do? LD library path? Library path? libtesseract.so.5 cannot open shared object file. Libleptonica that cannot open shared object file. Ah, fuck. Okay, so I gotta put those ones back. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, yeah. So my compilation of tesseract sucks. Is what the answer is. So we are winning. Fuck! Damn it! I gotta build this damn library. Maybe this isn't worth it though. Balder Van Motten says, "Hi, it's Greg. Do you think there are giant gorillas inside the Earth?" I don't. I really don't. What? You're gonna leave?
Yeah.
Oh well. I'm gonna wrap up. So give me a little bit. Yeah. No. Look. I'm beating the other library. I'm winning. See? That number is bigger than that number. Is it statistical? I don't know. Let's run it again. Ah, shit. Let's give it 5 seconds and see. Let's see if we win at 5 seconds, because that's a little more statistical. Also, the machine's really noisy, so who fucking knows? Damn, what the fuck? We got wrecked there. Oh, probably because of... Oh, because of this, yeah. Oh wait, we're not running it in the context. Hold on. Hold the phone. We're running my crappily compiled tesseract. I don't know why mine's so bad compared to theirs. I must not have run the right configure commands. It must not have optimizations by default or something. I don't know. I think we're gonna lose again. Damn. Okay, well, fuck it. We'll just use their library then, because I don't think it's any meaningful difference. But yeah, this was fun. This was interesting to figure out why mine was slower. And now I know, and now I will not bother making CFI, because even though I got it working, and even though I got it to comparable speed, it looks like it's not worth it. Anyway, that's gonna wrap us up for today. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So go subscribe there and check those out. If you missed any part of the stream, you can catch up on the second channel. Channels. Which is the VODs channel. I don't upload to Twitch anymore because they get angry at me for my background music that doesn't show up in the YouTube VODs, so hooray. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. However, sometimes I skip streams, but I will announce them on Discord, so you should stop by and hang out with us. Fun little programming Discord. There's a beginners channel if you want to ask questions, and then a bunch of other fun social channels as well, so stop by and hang out. But that's going to wrap us up for today. Let me go find someone to raid.